In this video, we are going to walk you through how to apply Dam Stop Leak Professional. You should have already calculated how much Dam Stop Leak Professional you will need to plug your leaks in our previous video. If not, go back and follow along to work out how much Dam Stop Leak Professional you will need. Ensure that water is present in the water body and is above the area identified for treatment. For best results, ensure that your water temperature is above 5 degrees, wind conditions are light, and that the area is free of excessive aquatic vegetation and algae. Excess vegetation and algae may block the product from reaching the cracks. These conditions may slightly impact the distribution of the product. The product will still work, however, it may just take longer to effectively seal the leaks. Make sure all filtration and aeration systems are switched off before applying Dam Stop Leak Professional, and keep them off for at least 5 days after application. This allows the product to be drawn into the leak by capillary action. If the treatment area is known, spread Dam Stop Leak Professional around the area and 10 meters either side of the leak site. If it's unknown, spread Dam Stop Leak Professional around the entire water body. This can be done with a tin mug or by hand. Larger areas will require the use of a boat to reach all areas. Ensure a uniform distribution so the product covers the entire leak-prone area, especially when the exact location of the leak is unknown. Let the product sink to the bottom and up to 21 days for it to fully take effect. Dam Stop Leak Professional is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on Dam Stop Leak Professional, check out our other video on what to expect after treatment. Or you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au